Hi, third graders. We're going to keep working on our final draft. So last time we finished our second paragraph, which was our first body paragraph, our first point here about interesting childhood. So hopefully you finished that paragraph. If you'll notice, mine actually went on to the next page. So you don't indent when you go to a next page. I know everyone has a different length. You only indent if it's a new paragraph. So I just continued writing, she attended night classes, and then I had my conclusion sentence for that paragraph. So now we're going to be doing adulthood today. So again, you want to make sure that you do your two-finger indent, or you can kind of line it up with where your last paragraph was indented. I always like to put a little dot and erase it later just to remind myself of the need to indent so I don't have to erase and start all over. So again, you're going to be working on adulthood, so I'm going to start with my topic sentence. Secondly, Madam C.J. Walker had an intriguing adulthood. And then I'm just going to go ahead and keep writing. So you're only doing the adulthood section. That's when you had their marriage, their jobs as an adult, their death. I know with the exception of Maddie, you have teenage years because yours passed away very early in life, but the rest of us should be including all the things that they did as an adult, if they had children, and then ending this paragraph with their death and cause of death. So again, you're just writing this next paragraph. It's your third paragraph, your body paragraph, all about adulthood. When you finish, you can stop for today. Make sure you take your time, do as nice of cursive as you can. Make sure that you cross your T's, dot your I's, that your spelling is correct and everything so that it's all ready to go for when you turn it in for a final grade. All right, we will talk to you later. Good luck and have fun.